Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're flying high as we compare two popular drones, the Holystone HS720 GPS drone, let's call it the Holystone, and the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone, or simply CHUBORY. Let's get ready to rumble drone style. First up, the price. Holystone is coming in hot at $249. Meanwhile, CHUBORY is trying to win our hearts and wallets at just $149. So if you're looking to save some cash for your next avocado toast, CHUBORY's got your back. Next, let's talk cameras. Holystone boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. That's right, folks, 4K. You can count every leaf on a tree from 3,000 feet up. CHUBORY, on the other hand, offers a 2K HD camera. Not too shabby, but it's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a home video. So if you want those Instagram-worthy shots, you might want to lean towards Holystone. Now, let's look at battery life. Holystone gives you 52 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. Not bad, right? But wait for it. CHUBORY comes in like a marathon runner with 84 minutes of flight time, thanks to its 3 upgraded batteries. It's like the Energizer Bunny of drones. You could practically fly it to the next town and back. Let's not forget about the cool tricks. Holystone has GPS-assisted intelligent flight, making sure it never gets lost and always comes back home. It's like a loyal dog, but cooler. CHUBORY, however, is packed with a ton of features. One key start landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, follow me, 3D flips, and even gesture selfies. It's like having a drone and a circus performer in one. When it comes to ease of use, Holystone is like that overachieving student with multi-sensors and optical flow positioning, making it super stable and beginner-friendly. CHUBORY, though, is like the class clown. Fun and easygoing with features like headless mode and speed adjustment. Even kids can fly this thing without crashing it into a tree. Well, most of the time. Finally, build and portability. Holystone has a foldable design and a well-fitted carrying case, making it easy to take on your adventures. CHUBORY, weighing less than 249 grams, doesn't even need registration. Plus, it's foldable and comes with a portable carrying case too. So you can take it anywhere. Just don't let it fly away with your lunch. According to the reviews, Holystone HS720 is praised for its solid build, GPS features, and excellent camera quality, making it a great option for beginners and those looking to inspect hard-to-reach areas. However, some users noted minor drawbacks, like the placement of the phone holder. On the other hand, CHUBORY receives mixed reviews. While many appreciate its ease of use, good camera quality, and long battery life, some users experienced issues with stability and reliability. It seems like CHUBORY is a hit or miss depending on the unit you get. So which drone should you get? If you're all about top-notch camera quality and intelligent flight features, Holystone is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and want longer flight time with a ton of fun features, CHUBORY is calling your name. Either way, you're in for some high-flying fun. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another gadget showdown. And hey, let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. See you in the next video.